Everyone, Jazzy, show everyone how you eat ketchup.
Fucking like old.
Okay.
Hello.
Oh God.
What the fuck?
Wow. Oh my God. Swallow.
Goody.
Really? More. Go. Well, I remember when I first met you, you said your favorite food is ketchup. Oh my God. That is disgusting.
Try some.
You're really funny. Okay, now do a little thingy like for everyone to want it.
Well, here we have Heinz tomato ketchup. Established in 1869.
Oh, what's the last two letters? Numbers?
69.
What's old shoe size? What's old shoe size?
6900.
And who told us that?
Oleg.
Okay.
Really great ketchup. It's really good. I can't hear you.